Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to make chicken sukka for y'all.
Chicken Sukka is a jewel of the Konkan. All Konkan communities, whether in Maharashtra, Goa of course, and Karnataka, make chicken sukka, each with their different variations from household to household. This is the way we make our chicken sukka. It's one of Maria and my favorite dishes. In this recipe, the ingredients are simple. The care is a lot. Come, we'll show you the ingredients. Konkani Chicken Sukka requires a marinade, a masala and frying ingredients. We'll show them to you systematically. First we'll start with 1 kilo of chicken cut in medium sized pieces. Then we'll see the ingredients for the chicken marinade. Here we have 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 scant teaspoon of turmeric powder, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger peeled, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 lemon which we are going to squeeze. These are the masala ingredients for chicken sukka, which famously is made by frying the masala ingredients, which is what gives it its beautiful rich brown color. So for this we have 1 large onion chopped, half a coconut, and I'll come back to that in a bit, and we have 1.5 tablespoons of poppy seeds. All these will be fried to make the chicken sukka masala. And here we have our whole spices. 1 bay leaf from our garden, 10 peppercorns, 1 inch of cinnamon, 5 cloves and 2 big black cardamom. Here we have 2 sliced onions to cook our chicken sukka. And here the half a coconut from the marinade, what we have done, we have taken a little bit out for the end trick, special touch for our chicken sukka. At the end, we will add the fresh coconut and the curry leaves. This is what will give that really special touch to our chicken sukka. We'll also need 1 teaspoon of sugar, and in this we have 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. We need to be generous with oil to make chicken sukka. We're going to start by marinating the chicken. Maria is going to add all the ingredients one by one, starting with the red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt and lemon juice. While Maria is mixing all this well into the chicken, I will crush the garlic and ginger in the mixer to make a paste. Crushed ginger and garlic. Carefully mix it. The marinating is very important. Make sure that the ginger, garlic and masalas are there on all the chicken pieces. Take your time to do this mixing. Now we'll leave this chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. In the meantime, we'll prepare our fried masala. So now we are going to make our masala for our chicken sukka. And for that, we're going to turn on our gas on a medium flame. It should neither be too high nor too low. We'll add about a tablespoon of oil to fry our onions first. Once the oil was hot, we added our onions. Now we are going to roast this on a medium flame till it becomes nice and brown. You can do it on a high flame and keep stirring it. We do it on a medium flame and stir it from time to time. But the most important thing is to make sure that the onions evenly brown, because there are 2 tricks to making good chicken sukka. One is frying your masala well, and the other is adding fresh coconut and curry leaf at the end. So this is our first trick to make the chicken sukka great. After a good 7 to 8 minutes of frying on the medium heat and stirring, our onions are nice and red. Now we'll fry our coconut and then our poppy seeds. We'll add some more oil for the coconut. For this step, please don't leave the stove. Coconut is a very delicate thing. Make sure your flame is not too high. All of a sudden the coconut will turn red. Have patience and lovingly fry your coconut. Already it has started turning red. This is the secret to a great chicken sukka. After 5 minutes of patient stirring, our coconut has become quite red. So now I'm going to add the poppy seeds. And I'll just stir them along with the coconut for 1 minute. Poppy seeds are a crucial ingredient of chicken sukka. You can hear the sound of the poppy seeds popping. Don't stop stirring at this stage, please. Poppy seeds are quite delicate. Enough. 1 minute is more than enough. Let me take this also out. Our beautiful roasted masala for chicken sukka is ready. Now we will leave this to cool and then grind it in water. Now our masala is cooled. We will grind it with just a little bit of water. Little more. That's just the way we like it. You can grind it finer if you like, but this level of fine is perfect for us. And we are ready with all our ingredients to start cooking our chicken sukka. Now we're going to start on a high flame. And put a generous amount of oil. About 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. We start by tempering the oil with our whole spices. Not too long, they shouldn't burn. In go the onions. Now we have to patiently brown these onions. It will take a good 7-8 minutes. After 7 or 8 minutes, our onions have got quite brown. So now I'm going to add the chicken in 2 parts. We want the chicken to fry a bit. So if we add the whole thing at one time, it may not fry. I have to be a little careful here. Keep some water handy. The reason is we put red chilli powder and turmeric powder in the marinade, and we don't want them to burn. So if you feel that the masala are starting to burn, just add like a tablespoon of water at a time. Later. Little bit only. Now I'm going to fry this chicken for 5 minutes till it gets a nice color. After about 7-8 minutes of frying on the high flame, the chicken pieces have got some nice color. So I'm going to now add my ground masala. As you can remember, this masala is already cooked, but we will fry it some more in the oil. Take care when frying. Pay attention to what's going on, because again, if required, you may have to add a little water. We just want to fry this masala for a few minutes so that it is nicely mixed into the chicken and cooks a little more. My flame is still on high. That's why I'm saying be careful. Keep an eye. Keep stirring. Soon after this we will add water, which will take care of everything. Just let everything become one for a few minutes. Okay. Now our chicken and masala is very well mixed. We're going to add a little water. And a little sugar. A little more water, but total less than 1 cup water put in the chicken, because the chicken is also going to release water now. We're going to turn the flame down to a simmer, cover, and we'll leave this to cook and come back in 15 minutes and take a look at it. After 15 minutes of cooking covered, let's open it. Nice, chicken is also done. Let's turn the heat up. We're going to cook this open now. I'll just check for salt and sugar. Both are perfect. So now we will leave this to tighten the gravy. Let it boil for some time. Chicken sukka, so we want this gravy to dry up a bit, and then we'll add our last trick. After a nice 5-minute boil, our gravy has reduced, and now we're going to put our magic touch. Coconut, fresh, and curry leaf. Lovely aroma. This coconut will absorb the liquid in the pan. The finishing touch for chicken sukka is always fresh coconut. If you get served chicken or any sukka dish for that matter without seeing fresh coconut on top, well, it's not really sukka, is it? And we're ready to eat our lunch. Let me switch off the flame. And here we are. Maria and I are having this Konkani Chicken Sukka with our favorite rice, but it also is very nice with chapati. We don't know how to make chapati anyway, so we're having it with our lovely Goan red rice. Come, Maria. On top. Just waiting for it to cool down so I can eat with my hands.
First, let's taste with the spoon. Really delicious.
Happy, huh?
Very, very happy.
Can taste the fresh coconut. This is one of our favorite recipes. We make it like 3-4 times a month. Especially when it's just the two of us. We love sukka in chicken, in mutton and in tisrio. Oof, it's too delicious.
But then mutton one. What you make?
I got excited. I saw this video. Rahul Gandhi is making a mutton curry with Lalu Yadav in Bihar.
Oh wow.
It was called Lalu's secret recipe and all. I thought we'll make it, but I saw the video. I couldn't follow the recipe. They didn't really give the ingredients and all. I hope they'll make it again and share so that we all can make it. Look very delicious, huh? That mutton. Oh.
So guys, get nice mutton.
Yeah, we do. And we'll dream of mutton for another day. Today we are relishing chicken sukka. Okay.
I think we should only do cooking at home maybe. We should know how anything. Our food is better than that.
So sweet. Every time when it's tastier.
I know, trying to Nice, it is tasty.
With lots of love from our home to yours, please try our chicken sukka recipe and tell us how it went. Cheers. Enjoy life.